The U.S. government is about to deposit $1,000 into your child's investment account. For free, no strings attached. But here's the catch. You have to take action before July 4th. And most parents have no idea this is happening. Starting July 4th, 2026, that is just 26 days from now, the government is launching a brand new savings account for children called Trump accounts, and every eligible child can receive a $1,000 seed contribution directly from the U.S. Treasury. But it is not automatic. If you do not claim it, your child gets nothing. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what this account is, who qualifies, how to claim the free money, and two hidden catches most parents are not aware of. This is time sensitive. Let us get right into it. Welcome to Capital Roost, where we break down the financial news that actually affects your life. If you have a child under 18, this video is one of the most important ones you will watch this year. The government just launched a brand new program that gives your child a head start on building wealth from day one. It is called a Trump account, also known as a 530A account. Today we are covering four things. First, what a Trump account actually is. Second, who qualifies and how much the government gives you. Third, the exact steps to claim your $1,000 before July 4th. And fourth, two hidden issues most media is not reporting that you need to know before you contribute. Let us start from the beginning. A Trump account, officially called a 530A account, is a brand new tax-advantaged investment account designed specifically for children. Think of it as a traditional IRA, but for kids. The account is opened in your child's name. You manage it as the parent or guardian until your child turns 18. During that entire growth period, all investments grow completely tax-deferred. That means no taxes on any gains until the money is withdrawn. The investments are limited to broad-based U.S. equity index funds, things like S&P 500 index funds. No individual stocks, no speculative investments, just steady, low-cost index fund growth. And here's the powerful part. When your child turns 18, the Trump account converts into a standard traditional IRA. From that point, normal IRA rules apply, and your child enters adulthood with a retirement account already funded and growing. Let me give you a real example of what this looks like. Say your child is 5 years old today. You claim the free $1,000 government contribution. You add $5,000 per year for the next 13 years. Invested in an S&P 500 index fund, earning historical average returns of around 7% annually. Your child enters adulthood at 18 with over $130,000 from a $1,000 government seed. That is the power of starting early. Now let us talk about who qualifies, because this is important. First, the free $1,000 government contribution. This is only available for children born between January 1st, 2025 and December 31st, 2028. So if you have a newborn or a child born in the last year and a half, your child is eligible for this free money. But here is what most people do not realize. Even if your child is older, any child under 18 with a valid Social Security number can open a Trump account. They just will not receive the $1,000 seed contribution. But they can still benefit from the tax-deferred growth and your own contributions. Now for the contribution limits. Parents, grandparents, and family members can contribute up to $5,000 per year combined. Employers can also contribute up to $2,500 annually, and that counts toward the $5,000 limit. There are no income thresholds. Unlike Roth IRAs, which have income limits that cut off higher earners, Trump accounts have no income restrictions. Anyone can open one. Anyone can contribute. And here is something very important. No contributions of any kind, including the $1,000 government money, can be deposited before July 4th, 2026. Not a single dollar goes in before that date. So the clock is ticking, but not in a bad way. You have time to open the account and get everything ready before the launch date. All right, this is the part that matters most. Here is exactly how to open a Trump account and claim the free $1,000. Step 1. Go to trumpaccounts.gov right now. The portal is live and accepting applications today. It takes about 10 minutes to complete. Step 2. Complete Form 4547, the Trump Account Election Form. This is the official IRS form to establish your child's account and elect participation in the $1,000 pilot program. You can complete it directly on the trumpaccounts.gov website. It will automatically prepare and file the form for you. Step 3. Complete the account activation process. The U.S. Department of the Treasury will send you an activation email in phases between now and July 4th. Watch for an email from no reply at trumpaccounts.treasury.gov. That is the only official email address. Step 4. Wait for July 4th. No money goes in before that date. But once July 4th arrives, the government deposits the $1,000 seed contribution directly into your child's account, invested in an index fund immediately. One important note: if you already filed your 2025 tax return without completing the election, do not panic. You can still complete the election directly at trumpaccounts.gov. Families who did not file in time may not receive funding until after their 2026 tax return is filed. But the account can still be opened today. Now, I promised you 2 hidden catches that most media is not reporting. And these are real, so pay attention. Hidden catch number 1. The gift tax filing requirement. When you contribute to your child's Trump account, that contribution may be considered a gift under IRS rules. Even though contributions are below the annual gift tax exclusion of $18,000, contributing to a Trump account may require you to file a gift tax return and draw on your lifetime exemption. This does not mean you pay gift tax right away, but it does mean extra paperwork that most families are not expecting. Especially if grandparents, employers, and parents are all contributing, the combined contributions may trigger this filing requirement. The recommendation here is simple. Before you start contributing large amounts, talk to your tax advisor. Hidden catch number 2. State income tax may apply during the growth period. Trump accounts grow tax-deferred at the federal level, but several U.S. states, including California, New York, and New Jersey, do not automatically conform to federal tax laws. That means your child's account may be subject to state income taxes on gains, even though no money can be withdrawn. This is a state-by-state issue, and guidance is still developing. But if you live in a high-tax state, check with a local tax professional before making large contributions. Let us bring it all together. Trump accounts launch July 4th, 2026, 26 days from now. If your child was born between 2025 and 2028, they are eligible for a free $1,000 government contribution. Any child under 18 can open an account. Contributions are capped at $5,000 per year, and all growth is tax-deferred until your child turns 18. To claim your $1,000, go to trumpaccounts.gov today. Complete Form 4547, watch for your activation email, and be ready for July 4th. But before you contribute large amounts, be aware of the gift tax filing requirement and your state's tax rules. This is one of the most significant wealth-building tools for families launched in decades. Do not let the July 4th deadline pass without taking action. If this video gave you clarity, please give it a like. It helps this channel reach more parents who need this information. And if you want honest, clear financial guidance every Thursday and Sunday, subscribe to Capital Roost. I will see you next week.